Gee, Bert, it sure is hot today.
Boy, it sure is, Ernie.
I wish we could think of some way to cool off.
Me just remembered that Herry Monster got home at beach this summer.
Egad.
And he said to come visit any time we want.
Hey, great! Let's get our bathing suits. All right, everyone. Get a beach bag packed and meet back here in 10 minutes. Hey, Ernie, get your little red wagon and we'll pile our stuff in it.
Gee, Bert, I can't do that.
Ernie, what's wrong with you? Don't you want to go to the beach to cool off?
Oh, well, sure, Bert.
You don't like to swim in the ocean, Ernie?
Oh, I love to swim in the ocean.
Well, then what's your problem, Ernie? Go get your little red wagon and then we'll just go right...
Oh, that's the problem, Bert.
Oh, no. Don't tell me you lost it.
I lost it, Bert.
Oh, I asked you not to tell me that. Ernie, how could you lose your red wagon, for heaven's sakes?
Well, I didn't actually lose it, Bert. I sort of can't find it.
What you doing, Mr. Hemlock?
Elementary, my dear Cookie Monster. I am searching for little red wagon clues, wheels, and, things like that. If I can find the wheels of the little red wagon, Cookie Monster, the little red wagon will probably be attached to them.
Mr. Hemlock, I think there's a better way.
Better? Egad, you're jesting. What could be better than searching for clues?
That's easy. Helping Ernie remember where he left the wagon. We ask questions.
Egad, you may have discovered a brilliant new technique for solving mysteries. It's so crazy it just might work. I'll start by using the process of elimination. How does that sound?
Just fine.
Now, Ernie, did you leave your wagon on the moon?
The moon?
The moon?
Oh, well, gee, I don't think so. I've never been to the moon.
You see how quickly we eliminated that possibility?
Wait a minute. I don't think we're getting anywhere this way. Somehow, I get the feeling that's not the kind of question to ask. I think we should ask things like, where do you usually leave your wagon? Or, when was the last time you used it?
Oh, I used it yesterday, Bert.
There. Now we're getting somewhere.
Yes, well, that's all fine, but now what should we ask?
Hey, kids, what do you think? What kind of question should we ask Ernie to help him remember where he left his little red wagon? Okay, turn off the sound now. Gee, kids, those were good questions. I thought of some, too. Now, think, Ernie. Did you leave the wagon on Sesame Street?
I don't think so.
Well, were you playing with it? Did you leave it at the playground?
Did you leave it at somebody's house, Ernie? Or take it to the fix-it shop to be fixed?
No, but I remember I was with someone.
Egad, my new technique is working to perfection. Now, what did this person look like? Was he tall?
Well, no. He was kind of short, actually. And I remember I was helping him shop at the supermarket.
Short. Aha, excellent. What kind of voice did he have?
Voice. Well, let's see. Well, it was an unusual sort of a voice. It's all coming back to me now. After we'd finished shopping, he said he'd take the groceries home and return the wagon to me this morning.
He was short. He had an unusual voice. Now, is there anything else you can think of about this person?
Yes, indeed. He was wearing a cape and a funny hat.
Cape and funny hat.
And he had a magnifying glass.
Did you say magnifying glass?
Mm-hmm. And I think I know.
Egad. Tell you what, pack your beach bags and meet back here in 10 minutes. I guarantee that the mystery of the missing red wagon will be solved by then.
Oh, me love to go to the beach. Oh, good, you found wagon.
Oh, gee, my little red wagon. That's peachy, Mr. Hemlock.
Please, no thanks. The case is closed, and once I close a case, I never discuss it again.
Well, come on, pile the stuff in the wagon and let's go. I can't wait to get in that water.
Oh, and don't worry, I know the way to Harry's.
You know the way? Are you sure, Ernie?
They don't call me Ernie the Pathfinder for nothing, you know.
Okay.
I've got a built-in sense of direction that never fails. All right, let's push off.
Hey, Pathfinder, I think we were supposed to take this road over here.
Bert, please. That's the long way. I'm taking a shortcut. We'll be swimming before you can say...
We lost.
Ernie, Pathfinder. I think Cookie's right. I don't think this is the way to Harry's house.
Unless he live on fishing boat.
Well, now, don't panic. We are not lost.
What do you call it then?
Temporarily turned around. Just give me a second to think. Let me see.
Hey, Ernie, there's a fisherman. Maybe he can give us directions.
We can use my new asking questions technique.
Oh, good idea. Ahoy there.
Yeah?
I wonder if you could help us.
Oh, sure. I don't see why not.
We're looking for Herry Monster's house. Do you know where he lives?
You see that road down yonder?
Uh-huh.
Well, you don't take that one.
Terrific.
You take this one over here. What you do is you go down to the third tree and you turn right. Then you go to the red house after the yellow one and turn left.
Left at the second right and, yeah, thanks.
Glad to help, matey.
Ernie, did you understand those directions?
Well, sort of.
Ernie, what do you mean, sort of?
Well, I got a general idea.
I got a general idea we still lost.
It's just that he talked so fast it was kind of hard to get it all.
Why didn't you ask him to repeat it?
Chief, you must know I was too embarrassed. I was afraid he would think I wasn't very smart if I asked him to give me the directions all over again.
Ernie, never be afraid to ask again if you don't understand something. It's better to keep asking questions until you're sure of the answers.
Now what do we do?
It's okay. I wrote down the directions while he was giving them to Ernie. Let's go. We go down to the third tree. Here's the third tree.
Egad, there's the house.
Oh, Harry going to be sight for sore eyes.
Sore feet, too.
That funny? No answer.
Strange. Where can Harry be? Egad, I do believe the time has come to ask more questions.
That good idea. Only thing is, who we ask? Nobody here.
That's true, my furry friend.
Thank you.
However, I see a house next door. So, we will ask Harry's next door neighbor.
Yes? Well, what can I do for you, young man?
We got a question to ask.
Certainly.
Kids, what you think? What kind of questions you think me should ask about Harry? Okay, turn off sound now.
Oh, you must be Harry's friends.
That's all right.
You said you wanted to ask me some questions.
Yeah. Where Harry go? Did he leave message?
Did he go to the store, maybe?
Did he leave a key? Can we go inside to wait for him?
Will he be gone long?
Did he say where he was
Oh,
going?
my goodness. Stop. I can't answer all these questions at once.
Oh, sorry. We just in hurry to get to beach.
Beach? Oh, yes, beach. You'll find him at the beach, at the north end. Do you know how to get there?
No, we never been here before.
Well, it's very simple, really. You take this path over here, you cross the little bridge, go past the flagpole, turn at the hot dog stand, and there it is. Got it?
Well, could you give me directions again? Only slow this time so that we can write them down.
Certainly, I'd be happy to repeat them.
Thank you. Me not embarrassed to ask again. Otherwise, me liable to end up back on Sesame Street. Oh boy, me not see Harry, but oh boy, look at that beautiful ocean. Geronimo!
Stop!
Egad, what is it? What's wrong?
You can't go jumping into the water like that.
We can't? Why not, Bert?
Ernie, we've never been to this beach before.
So?
Well, that's just it. We shouldn't go into the water until we're sure it's safe. Did you check to see if there's a lifeguard on duty?
Oh, you know, you're right, Bert. In case we get a cramp while we're swimming.
Me see lifeguard over there.
Okay, Bert, I guess we can go in then.
Not yet, Ernie. Hey, isn't there anything you want to ask the lifeguard before you go into the water?
I could ask him how he likes being a lifeguard. How's that, Bert?
That's terrible, Ernie. We've never been to this beach before or swum in this water. Now, surely there must be some important questions to ask.
Okay, I have another one. Excuse me, Mr. Lifeguard.
Hi, fellas. Glad to see you.
Hey, Harry!
Harry!
Hi, Harry.
Yeah.
We've been looking all over for you.
Hey, listen, you guys. You've never been to this beach. Is there anything you want to know before you go in swimming?
Oh, we've got lots of questions. Like, how deep is the water?
How far out can we swim?
What time does the beach close, and where's the first aid station?
Where are the restrooms and food stands?
Is it okay to play on the beach, you know, baseball and things?
Wait. We got the most important question of all. Hey, any stores around here in case me run out of cookies? Oh. Hey, what you looking at me like that for? Oh, boy. Oh, bye now.
Oh, go everybody.
Have fun, fellas.
Oh,
Can't put big one.
in.
Oh, look at those waves.